Welcome to my lesson. The lesson today is all about using have, has, and had. Have, has, and had are common verbs in English that can be used as both auxiliary verbs and main verbs. Here we will explain their uses in simple English. Have and has. Used to show possession in the present. Have used with I, we, you, they, and any plural subject. Example, I have a car. We have a meeting today. They have many friends. Has used with he, she, it, and any singular subject. Example, he has a bicycle. She has a beautiful smile. The dog has a ball. Had used to show possession in the past. Had used with all subject. I, we, you, they, he, she, it to indicate the past. Example, I had a great time yesterday. They had a big house. She had a pet cat, using as auxiliary verbs. Have, has, had can also be used as auxiliary verbs to form present perfect and past perfect tense. Present perfect tense, subject plus have, has plus past participle, third form of the verb. Example, I have eaten breakfast. She has finished her homework. Past perfect tense, had plus past participle, third form of the verb. Example, they had left before I arrived. He had seen that movie. Learning the correct use of has, have, had is very important in English. Using them correctly will make your English conversation more fluent and clear. Practice using the example given above. I hope this video is helpful for you. Watch it carefully and practice regularly. Thank you. Thank you very much.